Vietnam is the land of agriculture, and one of the most important things for them to grow is rice. They produce a lot. I read they were ranked number 5 in the rice producing countries in the world, and it is a lot. They produce about 40 million metric ton a year of rice, and most of the rice production is in the Mekong Delta area. It's not a huge area, but it is. They can grow it year round because there's a lot of water there, and the weather is nice. It's warm. But photography-wise, yeah, these are beautiful rice fields. You can see fields of rice as long as you can see. But the more interesting photography-wise would be in the north of the country, Mekong Delta being in the south, in the mountains where you have these rice terraces. Beautiful stuff. As you can see here, you know, just look at this. This is monumental. Imagine the work put into making this stuff. When you see people, you know, the harvest time, when they are harvesting the rice, and you see the work behind a bowl of rice, it is nothing short of amazing. This is difficult work. But now, just let's look at the videos I made from the rice terraces in North Vietnam, and more importantly, the photographs I took. I think they're great. Thank you. Goodbye.